Today Porsche 991. You know, the 911. When removing and reinstalling these, this end tab tends to break a lot. It's a push-in, click-type design, so if the panel alignment is off and you force it, this edge catches on the bumper or fender and snaps. The newer 992 isn't like this. There's a crack here too, see it? And something's a bit off. There's a lot of debris inside. Looks like sand. So I cracked the cap open earlier. This isn't normal, unless that cap was left open. This kind of contamination shouldn't happen. Maybe it was driven around open, then someone just stuck it back on. The inside looks fine though, just dust. But this area's pretty dirty, so yeah, the cap must have been open. Let's open it up.
What's that crack on the cover?
The outer cover has a UV coating. What you're seeing is the coating cracking, not the lens itself. Either way, the cover needs to be replaced. This is the sand I was talking about. See the contamination here. There's a scratch here too. This feels loose, might be broken. Hold on, let's check this first. Why was this moving? Ah, there it is. It snapped. See, told you. With the cap open, debris kept getting in here. Maybe we can just secure it back in place. Yeah, okay, as long as we lock it so it doesn't move. The beam adjustment still works fine. All right. We'll patch this later. Oh, this side's cracked too. Makes sense, side impact, right at that spot. We've got to save it anyway. Cleaning's done. Pretty solid. This part's a bit tricky though. Let's reinforce just this side, support it from the outside. All right, a mesh reinforcement on the outside. Silicone will go on the inside only. The projector bracket will sit here, so we can't apply silicone yet. We'll add it right before installing the projector, then lock everything in place. Wiring's done. Let's reinforce this lightly too, just enough so it won't move. Everything's already been cleaned earlier. This part still bugs me a bit, but nothing we can do.
No real fix for that.
It won't be visible. All right. Let's mount this first. We need silicone here, so let's apply it now. Always apply primer first, then silicone. Okay. Almost done. Okay. Now the cover slides right in. Nice. Just press it in naturally. Done. Let's put the molding on. Oh, this part gets covered perfectly. Fits right in. This came with the headlight. 991, there's a tool in the front. You push it like this, and the headlight pops forward.
If it's not locked properly, the headlight can shoot out.
Exactly. Just a headlight in the road. Hard braking, and it can literally pop out. Like this. You need to hear that solid thunk. That's when it's properly seated.
Otherwise, it launches.
Yeah,